Hey everybody, Brian here. Coffee with the Disability Guys. Today I wanted to talk to you not about the fall weather. I actually just got back from Tampa, Florida, and it was quite warm, and I got to visit my parents and, realize and think about, the older communities down there, and that got me thinking about retirement, not for myself, but just in general, and how that impacts what we do here at the Disability Guys, Social Security disability claims. So, there's kind of a little a trick or a thing that I wanted to talk about. This might be a little bit longer of a Coffee with the Disability Guy session, but let me get into it. Bear with me here, but it's really important, especially if you're an individual that is approaching early retirement age, which is 62, but you want to keep working and then you become disabled. What happens? Well, retirement ages are not 65 anymore. In fact, I'm going to check the schedule here. If you were born in 1937, your retirement age is 65 years old. For years after that, you have to add months on. So basically, for anybody born in 1959, you retire at 66 and 10 months. 1958 is 66 and 8 months. 1957 is 66 and 6 months. For anybody born in 1960 or later, your official retirement age is 67. So, you can take early retirement at 62 years old, but you get a lower amount of Social Security. You're stuck with that. So you want to kind of stick it out from 62 to 67, but what happens if you become disabled and unable to work? Well, a couple things. One, since you put time in, you can apply for Social Security disability insurance and have the disability guys help you out. That's fantastic. But if you need money, you could actually do two things. You could apply for early retirement at 62 and get that lower amount of money, and also apply for Social Security disability and try to get approved for disability. Once you are approved for disability, then you no longer get early retirement. You get Social Security disability insurance going back to when you stopped working, 62. So it increases the amount of money you get, and then that turns into or converts into regular Social Security when you reach your retirement age of 67. So for those 5 years, you're going to get a higher amount of money than you would have if you took early retirement, and you're going to get that higher amount of money for your retirement. Now, it's not that easy, and you got to go through a lot of different things, but there are ways that you could get some money in the door if you need it, apply for Social Security disability, and if you win your case, then that increases the amount of money you get, and you can move on and get regular retirement at your normal retirement age. So just because you're 62 or 63 or 64 and you take early retirement, it doesn't mean that you can't get disability. So if you take early retirement because of illness, injury, accident, disease, then you want to think about applying for actually both benefits, or if you can hold out and not even apply for the earlier benefit, just wait to get your Social Security disability. So I know this was a little complex, but if you have any questions about this or anything else with Social Security disability or workers' comp or any other disability or injury, accident, or benefit that may be out there, please give us a call here at the Disability Guys. And stay warm with a nice cup of coffee.